Hello, this is G from Luciole in Cognac. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Sidecar today. A Sidecar is one of those drinks, one of those classic Cognac drinks. It's been created, we believe, during the First World War, either in London or in Paris, but the Ritz in Paris claim to have created this drink. It's a very simple drink. It's got three ingredients. First of all, Cognac, of course. We're going to use 40 ml of Cognac, followed by 20 ml of triple sec or Merlet Brothers citrus, and then 20 ml of lemon juice. So it's 2 parts, 1 part, 1 part. Quite easy to remember. What we'll be doing next is get a sugar rim on the sorry, we're going to put sugar on the rim of the glass. That's going to give the sweetness that is needed. The Sidecar is a drink that is quite sour, quite tart, so the sugar is going to sweeten everything up. Just a little bit to make it look like nice and pretty. Cool, and then you can start to shake. So always add as much ice as possible, and then shake. And we are then going to double strain this cocktail. And there you are. You got your classic Sidecar. Cheers.